Now welcome to Miami Kitchen 74. Welcome, happy Monday. Today I'm going to show you how I prefer grilled fish than fried. So I'll show you this easy and quick recipe. The fish I'm using is bream, sea bream. It's tasty, it's nice. So join me in my kitchen as I demonstrate how I'm going to prepare or oven grill this fish. Let me take you to the whole process. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You are all welcome. Thank you. I will clean my fish using lemon. You can also use vinegar if you don't have lemon. I'll squeeze the juices, clean it, then afterwards I'll also clean it with water. Guys, if you try this recipe, you'll never like fried fish because it's so tasty. Sea bream is the fish which is so tasty. If you've got sea bream in your area or country, please try it and try this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel. Where are you watching me from? Please let me know where you are watching from so that one day I can just give you a shout out, because I don't want it. Thank you to all my viewers, subscribers. I know there are also viewers who are willing to subscribe. I promise you, subscribe to this channel. Let's grow, because you're going to learn a lot. I will dry my fish, as you can see me, because I don't want it to have excess water. I will slice my fish to make it easy to season. I will slice both sides. I will now chop my garlic, because I'm going to use garlic, but I've got some of the ingredients such as onions, lemon, and also I've got fresh coriander, which is gonna also be used in this recipe. Continue watching this video so that you can get the full recipe of this delicious, yummy, mouth-watering dish. I was looking for parsley, but I don't know, can't find parsley. Onions, lemons, coriander, and now I'll season my fish with salt. As you can see, I'm using sea salt inside and outside both fish. Then I will also add garlic inside the fish, lemon, coriander spice, and onions. Everything will be inserted inside of both fish. Then I will close the stomach part with some toothpicks. You can use anything you want, because I don't want to lose my ingredients which have been inserted inside or put inside, because they will add more flavors to my dish. And also I will season with seafood spice just to add more flavors. Then I'll add olive oil all over my fish, both sides, just to add more and more taste and flavor. You can use any type of oil of your choice. Our fish is now ready to be oven grilled. I will grill my fish for 40 minutes, 180 degrees Fahrenheit electric oven. So let's wait while we are making our sauce, which is going to be also used in this dish. In an empty pot, I added some butter, then add onions. Then I added garlic, fresh coriander, and mix everything together. This sauce doesn't take any long. I'll just make it for just 2 minutes. As you can see, it's already done, because it's all about the flavors. Our fish is ready. That's 40 minutes later, our fish is ready. Make sure you don't make it dry and also overcook it. Now everything is done. Look at the juices, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. Look at our fish, full of juices and fresh. Ciao ciao. Bye.